Hello, you guys. It's not summer yet. It's not June yet, or July. But I got this on clearance at Nana Ranch Market. It doesn't expire until like the fourth month, like March in 2025. This was $2.99 for a 5-pack. It doesn't say how many count it is until I look inside the box. It is 5-pack. I did do my not cleaning. I did some like filling. So I have like I just had some chicken, so. And this is the pineapple flavor by IMEI brand. So very sad, they're not gonna sell this at Nana's Ranch Market anymore. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like the M150 Thai energy drink. That's what it smells like. Ooh. Ooh, coffee. Ooh. Mm. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh, it smells good. Oh. Oh, that's so good. And that's right, the white part. Oh my god, it's so creamy. Y'all should definitely buy this.